Hi, friends! This week we've been learning all about seeds and fruit. We know that when you plant a seed in the ground, it grows into a plant. And once it's an adult plant, it starts producing fruit. But what is the fruit for? And why are the seeds inside of it? Well, I thought today we could read a story that would help us answer that question. Are you guys ready? All right. Today's story is A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds by Jean Richards, illustrated by Anka Harriton. Most plants have seeds. When you put a seed in the ground and water it, a new plant grows. Seeds often travel to faraway places. If a seed did not travel, too many plants would grow in one place. It would be very crowded. Friends, do you think if too many plants are growing in one place and it's very crowded, will those plants get enough sunlight? No, that's right. That's why they have to travel. Let's see some of the ways that seeds travel. Some seeds travel on the wind. Some seeds travel in water. Many seeds travel inside a fruit, like the seeds in this pomegranate. A fruit is like a suitcase for seeds. It protects them on their trip. Fruits look beautiful and taste good, so animals and people eat them and drop them in different places. When a human or an animal eats fruit, the seeds go into their body, travel all the way through their body, and come out on the other end. And if they come out on the ground, then the seeds get planted and a new plant grows. Some fruits carry one big seed inside of them. This seed is called a pit. A cherry is one of these fruits. Other fruits with pits are plums, peaches, apricots, and avocados. Some fruits have many small seeds inside of them. An apple is one of these fruits. Other fruits with small seeds are lemons, melons, pears. Delicious. Some fruits have many tiny seeds inside of them. A kiwi is one of these fruits. Blueberries and bananas also have tiny seeds. Many berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, carry their seeds on the outside. Raspberries do too. Some vegetables we eat are actually fruits. They carry seeds too. Peas are seeds. Other vegetables that have seeds are butternut squash, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, cucumbers, olives, and squash. Can you find the seeds on this ear of corn? Here's a hint. It's the part you eat. Hey, these are seeds. We eat corn seeds. That's so silly, but it's also pretty cool. I'll bet you didn't know that every time you eat a peach, a cherry, an avocado, a plum, a cucumber, a tomato, a grape, an apple, an orange, a pea, a pear, a melon, a banana, or a blueberry, you are really eating a suitcase. A suitcase for seeds. Or, as this little bird is calling it, a fruit case. Silly bird. Well, here are some more questions that you might have about fruits and seeds. Let's dig in. What is the difference between a fruit and a vegetable? Fruits and vegetables are parts of plants. A vegetable can be the leaf, like spinach, the root, like carrots or potatoes, or even the flower, like broccoli. A fruit, like apples, cherries, and peaches, is the part of the plant that holds the seeds. But some vegetables hold seeds too, like cucumbers and tomatoes and green peppers. Are these vegetables really fruits? There's no clear answer to this question. Maybe we should think of them as both. Do all fruits come from flowers? Yes, all fruits develop from flowers. That's true for vegetables that hold seeds too. So when you look at an apple tree in the spring, it's covered in flowers. But once fall comes, those flowers have turned into delicious apples. But why don't seeds grow in our tummies? Small seeds that you swallow when you eat, like a tomato or a slice of cucumber, they can't grow inside of you. They need soil, water, light, and air to grow, and they can't get those things inside of your tummy. So the seeds that you eat go out of your body when you go to the bathroom. What is the biggest seed in the world? The biggest seed weighs about as much as you, and it grows on a special palm tree called the double coconut tree. Oh my gosh! Wow! A 45-pound seed. I can't even imagine that it's so big. Then, what's the smallest seed in the world? The smallest seeds belong to an orchid flower family. They're so tiny that you can't even see them with your eye. 1 million of these seeds would weigh about as much as one orange. How big do seeds grow into big plants or trees? And little seeds into little ones? Actually, the size of the seed doesn't make a difference. The biggest tree in the world, the giant redwood, which you can actually see up in Santa Cruz, they grow as high as a 30-story building. But the seed is about the size of an ant. Can you grow plants from a seed at home? Of course you can. You can take a flower pot filled with soil, put it on a plate, and poke a seed down into the soil with your finger. If you pour some water on it and put it in the sun and add some water every couple of days so it doesn't dry out, soon it'll grow into a plant. All right, that is awesome. I've learned so much about fruits and seeds. Now, head on over to Seesaw and show me what you learned. All right, friends, thanks for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye, friends.